Hi everyone. We are almost done with all the adjustments that I want to run through with you. Today's one is threefold. So we are going to look at income received in advance, but there will be three different ways to do it. So please don't get confused. It's not the same adjustment. It is three different methods or three different ways in which they can phrase this specific adjustment. So again, don't get confused. It's three different ones that I'm doing, but I'm doing them back to back. It's not the same one every time. It's a new one. I hope you're enjoying all the videos and that you understand what's going on. Again, please contact me if you have any issues, and good luck. Right, so you'll see there we've got our income received in advance heading and we've got a trial balance that ends in June, very important. And then you'll see there a number 1 and a number 2. That's what I was referring to. Two different adjustments. We're just using the same balance. That's all, two different ways. So in the first way that they can phrase it is saying that the rent has been received for July and August. Okay, we are only going to focus on that one for now. So you'll see there I've got my rent income. I numbered it number 1 and I've got my balance of 36,000. And there, oh, I love my little abbreviations. IRIA stands for income received in advance. Okay, so the next thing we need that is extremely important is our timeline. It starts in July, August, September, October, November, December, January, February, March, April, May, June. That's where my year ends. Oh, and you are so lazy, you don't want to draw out a timeline. It just helps. So now my adjustment says I've received the rent for July and August as well. So I can technically go and tick every month this year because I've received the rent for every month. Great, I've received it for 12 months and that is what I want. My issue is I've received July and August as well. I do not want July and August in my books. What do I do? Firstly, I need to count how many months rent did I receive in total? 12 months plus 2. So I have received 14 months rent. Okay, 36,000 equals 14 months. So 36,000 divided by 14 will give me the amount rent per month. That is 2,571 per month. I have an issue with 2 months. Therefore, I am going to multiply that with 2, and that will give me the total amount, 5,142, that I do not want in my books. What am I going to do with it? I need to cancel it out on the debit side. So I'm going to write there 5,142, and that is my income received in advance. Please remember, whenever you do something in a test or in an exam, you must always write everything out. So one account is debited, therefore the partner will be credited. Rent income 5,142. Okay, now we move back to rent income. I've taken the money that I received in advance, I've taken it out. So I need to know what is the correct amount that I need to enter in my books. 36,000 minus the 5,000 gives me 30,858. That's the correct amount for rent income for 12 months. That amount will go to profit and loss. So there I can then close off my account. Right, so that's it. Then I'm done. I have entered my income received in advance. Because it's entered on the credit side, it is a liability, and that will be entered in note 9 when I finally do my balance sheet. Now we are on the second way in which they can ask it. Instead of giving me the 2 months that they've paid in advance, they only tell me that the rent is 2,400 Rand per month. Remember, this is a new one. It's a new example. So my balance for rent income is 36,000. I don't know if I've received too much or if I've received too little. I only know that the rent is 2,400 Rand per month. So I go to my books. There I've got rent income, 36,000. So the only thing I can do is I can take the 36,000. I divide now with the rent per month, which is 2,400. And the answer I get is 15. So now I know that I've received the rent for 15 months. It could have been 10. Then we're not busy with income received in advance. Then we're busy with an accrued income. But now we've received it for 15 months. We only want 12 in our books. Very important. Always only 12. So 2,400 times 3, which is the difference between the 15 and the 12, will give me the amount that I received too much, which is 7,200 Rand. That must be taken out. Income received in advance. One account is debited, so the partner 7,200 rent income will be credited. And then all I have to do over here is take the 36,000 minus the 7,200, and then I get 28,800. That goes to profit and loss. That is the correct amount for rent. That is 12 months. That's 3 months. Together, that gives me 15. I don't want 15 in my books. I want 12. All I do then is I can just close off the account. 36,000, 36,000, and I'm done.